Yeah, so I just got my hands on this. It's not a silencer, but the price will blow you away. Welcome to my channel where I review just about everything and anything that comes my way. You know, feel free to hit the subscribe button because, well, it's free and it feels good. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button if you can reach it. And if you check in the description, I will put a link to this product as well as a surprise link. Who knows what it's gonna be? It's a surprise. And now the reason you clicked on this video. This is a handle for phones and GoPros and cameras and lights and really anything that charges with USB. So it's called a Ulanzi BG2. This thing is built solid. It feels strong, it's metal, it charges with a USB-C, yay. And you can plug anything USB-A into it. It's 2 amps out, which is like 9 volts. It has a screw thread on the top and an open screw thread on the bottom. So you can connect it to any tripod or monopod or whatever. The battery inside this thing holds 6,800 milliamp hours. So for reference, the GoPro Hero 9 battery, which is the bigger battery from the old one, holds 1,700 milliamp hours. So that's like having 4 extra batteries with you. The Sony camera, which I'm filming on right now, the battery holds 1,020 milliamp hours. So that's more than 6 batteries. The iPhone 12 has 2,800 milliamp hours. So I can't really do the math to know exactly how much recording time that is, but it's a lot of extra recording time.
I've done the math. Checks out.
I would expect something like this to be pretty expensive, at least maybe around the $60 mark, maybe more. But let's just have a look really quick to see. It's only $30 for this thing. Whoa! If you're someone that's out in the field making videos or taking pictures, I think this would come in really handy. Oh, and I just keep thinking of so many good uses for it. Like imagine like long time lapses. You could use it with a gimbal, you could use it with your pocket. Oh, the possibilities. Please leave a comment and let me know how you'd use it.